Hello everyone, welcome to accountancy class. I am Divya, lecturer in commerce, gsipucmysuru College, Mysuru. In the previous class, we learned about 12 marks problem. Today I continue with the same concept from chapter 10, session 5, financial statement. Prepare the trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet of Naveen Traders, Raichuru from the following particulars. Trial balance as on 31st 2017, sundry debtors and creditors 1,25,000, bad debts 3,000, printing and stationery 7,500, rent rates and taxes 3,450, freight charges 2,250, returns 6,000 and 4,500, motor car 25,000, opening stock 75,000, furniture 15,500, purchases and sales 75,000 and 1 lakh, drawings and capital 13,560 and 2,50,000. Investments 65,500, cash at bank 89,000, bills payable 85,550, provision for bad debts 1,500, interest received 11,260, discount received 3,500. So total of the trial balance is 4,81,310. Adjustments: closing stock was valued rupees 35,000, depreciate furniture at 5% and motor car at 10%, further bad debts rupees 1,000 and make a provision for bad debts at 2%. Fourth one, interest on drawings at 6%, outstanding rent, rate and taxes rupees 200. So after going through the question, first identify where that particular items appears. So here sundry debtors and creditors, it is recorded in balance sheet. So first column debtors and second column creditors. Next one, bad debts, it is recorded in profit and loss account, printing and stationery profit and loss account, rent, rates and taxes profit and loss account, freight charges, trading account, returns, trading account, motor car, balance sheet, opening stock, trading account, furniture, balance sheet, purchases and sales, trading account, drawings and capital, balance sheet, investments, balance sheet, cash at bank, it is recorded in balance sheet, bills payable, balance sheet, provision for bad debts, it is recorded in profit and loss account, interest received, profit and loss account, discount received, profit and loss account. Next one, adjustment, closing stock was valued at rupees 35,000 once it is recorded in trading account and again in balance sheet. Depreciate furniture at 5% and motor car at 10% once it recorded in profit and loss account and again in balance sheet. So in front of the furniture as well as motor car, put a star mark, it indicates that there is an adjustment for furniture and motor car. Further bad debts rupees 1,000, make a provision for bad debts at 2% once it is recorded in profit and loss account and again in balance sheet. So provision for bad debts, it is calculated on debtors. So in front of the debtors, put the star mark. Interest on drawings at 6%. So once in profit and loss account and again in balance sheet. So in front of the drawing, star mark. So it indicates that you should calculate the interest on drawings. Outstanding rent, rates and taxes rupees 200 once it is recorded in profit and loss account and again in balance sheet. So in front of the rent, rate and taxes, put the star mark, it indicates that there is an adjustment for the particular items. Therefore, you should record that items in the inner column, then you should make an adjustment for the particular items. So we already identified the which amount as to be recorded in trading account. So first write the heading trading and profit and loss account for the year ending 31st 2017, debit as well as credit, expenses, amount, incomes as well as amount. So first one is to opening stock, to opening stock, amount is 75,500. Next one, to purchases, amount is 75,000, right in the inner column because purchase return is given, so less returns 4,500 after deducting 70,500. Next, by sales, write the amount in the inner column, 1 lakh, because sales return is given, less returns 6,000. After deducting, the amount is 94,000. Next one, freight charges is given, to freight 2,250 rupees. So all the items which is given in the trial balance relating to trading account, it is recorded. Next one, first adjustment is relating to closing stock was valued at rupees 35,000. So record here by closing stock 35,000. So now add the trading account. Here debit column is amount is more, that is 1,48,300. Write the same total on the credit side, 1,48,300. Now find the difference, that is 1,48,300 minus these two items, 19,300. This is gross loss balance carried down. Bring this balance to the profit and loss account debit side to gross loss, that is 19,300. Next one, see the trial balance, that is bad debts amount is given 3,000. There is an adjustment for bad debts to bad debts. Bad debt amount is 3,000. To bad debt 3,000 in the inner column. Third adjustment is further bad debts rupees 1,000 and make a provision for bad debts at 2%. Add further bad debt 1,000. After adding, the balance is 4,000. Next, add provision for bad debt. It is calculated on the debtors. So the total debtors given in the trial balance is 1 lakh. Debtors value is 1 lakh less further bad debt 1,000, 99,000. On 99,000, calculate provision for bad debt, that is 99,000 into 2 divided by 100, that is 1,980 rupees. So 1,980 rupees after adding 5,980. First check that is there any provision for bad debts is provided in the previous year. It is given in the trial balance. Provision for bad debts, that is 1,500. So here the amount, bad debts amount is 5,980, but bad debts provision given in the trial balance is 1,500. Profit and loss account ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್ 5,980 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಅಮೌಂಟು 1,500 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಮೌಂಟು. 5,980 rupees is more than the bad debts provision which is given in the trial balance. Then we should deduct from the 5,980 rupees old provision 4,480 rupees. This is given in the trial balance. Next one, printing and stationery. 2, printing and stationery Write in the outer column 7,500 because there is no adjustment. Next one, 2 rent rates and taxes. There is an adjustment for rent. Write the amount in the inner column, 3,450 rupees. The last adjustment is outstanding rent rate and taxes is rupees 200. Add outstanding rent 200. After adding, the amount is 3,650 rupees. Next, see the trial balance. Interest received is there. Record this one by interest received 11,260. This is income. Next one, by discount received 3,500. So all the items given in the trial balance, it is recorded. Once let us check the adjustment. Closing stock already adjusted in trading account. Depreciation on furniture 5% and motor car at 10%. So record here on the debit side, 2 depreciation on furniture, amount is 15,500 into 5 divided by 100, amount is 775 rupees. Next one, 2 depreciation on motor car, 25,000 into 10 divided by 100 equals to 2,500. Next, fourth adjustment, it is not adjusted. Interest on drawing 6%. So total drawings during the year is by interest on drawings 13,560 into 6 divided by 100. Amount is 814 rupees. So all the items which are given in the adjustment, it is already recorded in profit and loss account. Let us total the profit and loss account. Here debit amount column is more than the credit. Total is 38,205. Write the same total on the credit side, 38,205 rupees. From 38,205 minus these three items, 22,631 is the difference amount by net loss transferred to capital account. Now let us prepare the balance sheet. Write the heading balance sheet as at 31st/3/2017. Liabilities, amount, assets as well as amount. So first bring the capital amount, capital 2,50,000. So in this problem there is no net profit, no interest on capital, but drawing amount is given. So less drawings. First less drawings 13,560, then less interest on drawings 814 rupees. Next less net loss 22,631. So after deducting 2,12,995. Next see the trial balance. Sundry debtors and creditors is given. So sundry creditors, there is no adjustment. Write the amount in the outer column, 25,000. Next one, sundry debtors Write the amount in the inner column, 1 lakh. There is an adjustment, that is less further bad debt 1000. After deducting, the amount is 99,000. And this year we calculated the provision for bad debts, less provision for bad debt, that is 99,000 into 2 divided by 100, amount is 1980. After deducting, the amount debtor is 97,020. Next one, motor car is there. Write the amount in the inner column. There is an adjustment. Motor car amount is 25,000. We already calculated the depreciation in the profit and loss account. Less depreciation on motor car, that is 2,500. After deducting, 22,500. Next, furniture 15,500 less depreciation. This is already calculated in the profit and loss account. Depreciation amount 775. After deducting, 14,725 rupees. Next one, investment is there. Investments, that is 65,500. Cash at bank 89,000. Next one, bills payable is there. Bills payable 85,550 rupees. The items which are all given in the trial balance, it is already recorded in balance sheet. So let us check the adjustment. Closing stock, it is not at all recorded here. Closing stock 35,000. Next, depreciation on furniture and motor car, that is already adjusted. Further bad debts 1,000, make a provision for bad debts, that is adjusted towards debtors, that is also adjusted. Interest on drawings at 6%, that is also adjusted. Next one, outstanding rent rates and taxes rupees 200 is there. This is outstanding expenses. So record outstanding rent rate and taxes 200 rupees. So let us total the assets as well as liabilities. So the total of liabilities is 3,23,745. Here also asset side 3,23,745 rupees. So the assets is equals to liabilities. After recording the items in the balance sheet, once you check the trial balance as well as adjustment, so whether all the adjustment are adjusted in balance sheet or not. So if you adjusted all the items, definitely the balance sheet tallies. The assets is equals to liabilities. I hope today's session was useful to you all. Thank you.